Hello, this is Miss Janet with JLS Success Central, and welcome to my channel. We provide up-to-date verifiable information to empower you, the individual who's working on building your personal finances. And you're probably also working on building your credit scores. And for those of you who have poor credit or bad credit, we understand the struggles that you have. We understand the day-to-day struggle that bad credit presents. And we want to encourage you not to give in, not to do quick fixes, not to do things that can just help you in the short term. Now, of course, by all means, if you can raise your credit score, raise your credit scores. But understand, having good credit is a long-term endeavor. And what we would like to do is maybe or perhaps help you focus on institutions, banking institutions and credit unions that can help you in your credit building endeavors. Now, some time ago, I did a video on credit, building your credit score through credit union, credit builder accounts. Now, those type of accounts are very, very valuable because credit builder loans combine a secured loan with a savings account for the express purpose of establishing and reestablishing credit. It doesn't get any better than that. So today we're going to focus on a credit union in Southern California. Now, I got a request after I did the video about building your credit with credit union, credit builder accounts. I got a request about California, and I've also seen requests on other comments on other channels about California. So I want to focus on that today. So today we're going to focus on Credit Union of Southern California. Now, in order to join this is regional. So in order to be a member, you have to live, work, attend religious service or school in LA, Orange, Riverside, or San Bernardino County. Now, if you live in Northern California, other parts of California, and you have a family member that is a member of this credit union, perhaps they can sponsor you so that you can join and take advantage of this particular opportunity that I'm talking about. And the opportunity I'm talking about is a car loan, a car credit builder loan. So here we go. Now, look at this. I'm going to jump right to it. Look at this credit score. They help individuals with scores between 500 and 599. This is what this program is about. This is what this car rebuilder loan is about. Individuals with 500 and 599 credit scores. Listen, you can go to a car dealership and they have all these commercials on television. We can help you no matter what your score is. And more than likely they can after they run your credit 29, 30, 40, 50 times. And you have all these inquiries on your credit profile. So that doesn't help rebuild your credit at all. But this particular credit union is looking for individuals with 500 to 599 score. They have a program customized just for you if you fit that category. They have fair rates, flexible terms, non-traditional qualifications, and of course, it helps with rebuilding bad credit. Now, here's the, you know what I want to show you? Look at this. It says, because we care about you and your future, we take time to learn about your past. Then we find a reason to say yes by focusing on your potential. Look, everybody has problems. Everybody needs a second chance, sometimes a third chance. But understand, the Credit Union of Southern California has a program for you if you fall into these scores. And just think about this. If your score is a 500 and through 599, what if your score is 620? What if your score is 630? check them out. Check them out. Credit unions are always a better bet than any finance that, just going through a finance company. Okay? And these are the qualifications. You have to have a steady job. The car being financed is your primary vehicle to get to and from work, and your paycheck has to be, automatically deposited into your credit union account. Okay? And this right here is an opportunity for, if you need a vehicle and you fall within this range or anywhere in like 620 and below, go for it. Give them a try. I'm going to put the link in my comments down below, and you can find out, you can check it out yourself. I don't know the interest rates. I don't know any of the terms. You have to check it out yourself. And God willing, you can get your automobile finance from here, yours, or maybe one of your children need a car, your husband or a friend or family member. This is a game changer, ladies and gentlemen. Now, I want to tell you about another product that they have. Let's see here, Borrow. They have a traditional credit builder account. Yep, they have a traditional credit builder account. So this is the type of credit union, they want your business. They want your business. They're telling you, you know what? We'll give you another chance. Let them give you another chance. It says if you have less than optimal credit history or no credit history, we have a product that can help you turn your situation around. Didn't I just say that? I said it takes time to turn a bad credit history into a good credit history. So if you find a company or organization that's willing to work with you to turn that thing around, why not do business with them? The Credit Builder Loan from Credit Union of Southern California is, check this out, specifically designed to help you. So this is tailor-made for you. This is tailor-made for you. Check them out. Check them out. Now let's go down and look at what this Credit Builder Loan is about. The loan is for $1,000 and it's held in a deposit account. They will not give you that cash. It's held in a deposit account and you make payments every month. Now, you have to contact them to find out how much the monthly payments would be, okay? And I really like this. No credit inquiry is made. No loan application fee. And there's a 12-month term. Now, I'm going to go down here. At first, when I first saw this, I thought, oh my goodness, you can get a car loan, a credit builder car loan, and you can get this loan, and you'll be getting 2 positive lines of credit from a credit union being reported to all 3 credit bureaus. Well, looks like I was wrong. I don't know. It says members can only have 1 credit builder loan at a time. Hey, but it doesn't hurt to ask. So if you contact them, find out. Again, I'm going to put the link in the comments below. You can call them. You can peruse the website. Check the website out. Get your pen and paper and have your questions ready, because this looks like an opportunity for someone in California. Hey, this is Miss Janet with JLS Success Central. If you found this information helpful, press the like button and comment. Please comment and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Okay? Well, I guess I'll see you in a couple of days. Grace and peace. Miss Janet out.